Hello and welcome to the section 7 of the course Analyze Ftp and Dscp traffic. Now in this section we are going to take a look at a couple of points. So we are going to analyze Ftp and Dscp traffic. Now let's start with the video Ftp and Dscp Overview. In this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about Ftp and filters, and then Dscp and various filters. So guys, first of all, we are learning about FTP. So what is FTP? FTP is File Transfer Protocol, which uses port number 21. Now, what is the use of FTP? The use of FTP is very simple. If you want to share files in your network, you can take help of FTP and you can easily share these files or folders. If we talk about the security, FTP is not secure because it uses plain text passwords. So if someone is performing sniffing or man-in-the-middle attack, so attacker can easily grab the username and password of FTP. If we talk about the protocol dependencies, so TCP typically, FTP uses TCP as its transport protocol. The well-known TCP port is F21 and 20. So it uses 20,21 port number, remember. So this is the use of FTP. Now, if we talk about the display filter, so you can use FTP in the display filter to sort the FTP traffic inside the network. If we talk about the capture filter, so you cannot directly filter FTP protocols. You can take help of TCP ports, and with the help of that, you can filter on that one. You can provide a port number, and then, for example, if you want to sort the 21, so you can provide the port number 21, and it is going to capture only 21 port number traffic. Now, if we talk about DSCP, so DSCP is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It uses port number 68. Now, DSCP is a client-server protocol used to dynamically assign IP address parameters. So, for example, if a new machine is trying to connect with the network, so it is DSCP which provides the IP address or which assigns the IP address to that machine. It is implemented as an option of bootp. Alright, so DSCP provides IP address to your system. DSCP uses bootp as a transport protocol. Now, you can see here that, for example, if you are releasing or renewing your IP address, it is going to create DSCP traffic. And how you are going to filter that traffic? You have to use filter bootp. You cannot use DSCP. You have to use bootp to filter DSCP traffic. This is very important. You can see here that if you talk about display filter, so bootp is available. With the help of bootp, you can simply sort the DSCP traffic. If we talk about the capture, so you can use port 67 or port 68 in capture filter, and it is going to capture all the traffic from the particular ports.